Hi everyone, Julie and Randy here. Say hi, Randy. Randy's still under the weather, y'all. But we're at a house here in Garland. Let me turn you around. So this is the house that we're gonna do. We're gonna take off all the shutters and put on the new shutters. So this is it. We're gonna have to take these shutters off, like I was saying. They're like all busted up. I want to show you why they're ordering new shutters. See all that? So Randy's going to come in here and
busy?
okay everyone, that was a chore, getting all that off. Even the homeowner is helping get those off because it was something that we never seen before. Like I said, they're off. The homeowner's working on that last one. We got all this off. We're gonna start hanging these. So you can see that was like a dark brown, and this is like it's dark walnut. And these are what we call frame shutters, shaker style. So we're gonna start these. Right, Randy? Randy, you hot?
A little bit.
He cut himself all up down his arm. But it's all right. But yeah, this is the stack of the old shutters. They were rotten. Okay, it's time to put up the new ones. Okay, everyone, this is done. This was a chore. Whoever put those shutters on last time, man, oh man, did they do a good job. So this is it. These are what we call shaker style shutters. So we're off to our next house just around the corner to put those up. Those are the shutters with our hinges. So comment below. Please like and subscribe. Let me know how you like these better than the other ones. Thanks everyone. Bye. Okay, we are at our second house today. We're going to put shutters on this window and that window. These are the ones that are extra tall. I think they're 7 feet. And look at that roof, y'all. That is such a pretty roof. But these are the ones that we have hinges. It has black hinges, and I think it's just make it pop. And then on the side, what do you call them? I'm so tired, y'all. The wood that goes sideways, has a piece of trim. Let me just show you. Okay, so most of the time the shutters just has this board right here. It doesn't have this little piece of trim. So we added that trim right there to give it sort of a 3D look, and then we put these black hinges on. So it makes it look like it's real working shutters. So that's what's going to go up there. So let's get started. Randy will finish putting those hinges on that last one, but this is what they look like. So if they were real working shutters, which real working shutters has hinges, so this just makes it look like it would really open. Plus this customer has a crack, so these shutters are going to cover that up. So that's another reason why you would want shutters, to hide some of the flaws. Let's see, yeah, see some where the mortar has cracked. The shutter's going to go right up against that, so that will cover that up, make it look a lot better. Okay, y'all, we are done. Now with these shutters, it looks like they're open just a little bit because they slant where the hinges are, so just like they're just folded open, and I really like that look. So you can see what the customer was doing was trying to cover up the cracks, which he did. I love these shutters. I love it on this house. Randy, good job today. So it looks great. So like I said earlier, please like and subscribe. We do all kinds of shutters, and we show you the before and the after, and we do patio covers and pergolas and decks and fences. So keep an eye out for us. We're going to be doing an enclosed patio soon, so keep out on a look for that, or keep an eye out for that video that will be coming in probably the next couple weeks. So anyway, just wanted y'all to see this. I think it looks great. Thanks everyone. Bye.